Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are deploying a GitHub project directly to Cloudflare Pages. This is the fastest way to get your web projects live for free. To begin, open both your GitHub repository and your Cloudflare dashboard in separate tabs. Inside Cloudflare, look at the left sidebar and select Workers and Pages. From the overview screen, navigate to the Pages tab and click the button to connect to an existing Git repository. If you have not linked your accounts before, Cloudflare will prompt you to sign into GitHub and authorize access. Once connected, your GitHub account will appear. Select it and you will see a list of your available repositories. Choose the project you want to deploy, then click Begin Setup. Now configure your build settings. You can keep the default project name and leave the production branch set to main. For the build configuration, choose the framework preset you use to create your site, such as React, Vue, or Next.js. Cloudflare will automatically fill in the build command and output directory for you. If you are uploading a simple HTML project with no framework, leave the preset as none and type a single period into the output directory field. When you are ready, hit save and deploy. Cloudflare will immediately initialize the build environment. In just a few moments, your project will compile and go live. You will receive a secure .pages.dev link where you can instantly preview your newly deployed site. Thanks for watching this ClearTask tutorial. Drop a like and subscribe for more straightforward guides.